Ebusia fella o fella ye di kokonsa woni msama beje makonya de ne kokonsa nko na me de bro na kokonsa no ye nhwe enije sebon ko a ye hwe politics ne ya hwe social issues ye dada sitinemu den na ye koso ye dada sitinemu ne ko politics so dia ma hwe bedwamu box no wo da so ko na so wojai ne ko entertainment ne de enije sem de woni se enije nko a ye nyom to ye ko movie ye ko hefa bia okwa ye wo honom na de wan kona bia obehu fila o fila ewo ehonom midin ene akosia sparkles na me pacho on subscribe ya no subscribe e de amame o hye so wan wa hye pacho 2022 ne ewo mu no nti de mo so samusuman kakra mo hye man na dwumedi agedie no eno so enkoso papa ye na wo hye na nyankopon eto osoro nhire bia wan kasa won na anwene ho a wankasa no abraba be from ebusia ensem no bia bedi akotene ene se yenyum tini ba ko wa kire se ono de wiatimo ha se dia sole bia ni ho a wonko ye wachima sole papa efri se onyi no eto de bia na busiafo anana wofo ema ne sa chance ne se otimi ko asori bia wo penti ono de okopie mu asole ba ko asole no na ene de efanwom a woto no ene won preaching na na ni je ho na so ade ba ko pe ana ne ni anje ho a odijai sa asori no ebusia ensem bebre ekawe ho ana ye de besommo e wo fela o fela so na me patro wona wo so masne eye University Foundation se wo yankonam ana mo yekuo na mo pe foundation bi ana mo brawa bi ejanka ana wona woni bie wo de fa foundation bi e de ama won dia ene mpacho ehwe bia hwe University Foundation ono ana obedi wanima bibia opese wo yebnya aya atade o eye sika wo de sika fam no pa no hia papa ye eno nti wo de fabra na obegina wanemu na wo de akoma wo de mo no so no na nyankopon ehira wo nhira bia wankasa unhu bida obenya no 0548302985 0548302985 abusia medin ene akosia sparkles fela o fela so metwa me ho mebasisia medase papa yesa wonya bre ede twema metwa me ho sima pe ede ebaaye mede nsem no mu nkyiremu ede bre mudia na nde se mama medi kan enka no nyom tini ba kwa waga na mamu hase ya onim se nyom to waga na hanu musei no ya chemu akoye mienu aye kasa biase fodie ana Christopher de ene de kobro from secular ana gospel oto gospel wa ne nyom ba kwa beje ntre haha e waga na mamu hase ene abeboluwe a ende ko so ne lakata bi owini talented kids anase inkolai talented issues no mu yibi na de bejentre haha e waga na mamu ha sei na kopia mu e wa interview ba ko ana o kire mu se na me de aso we de makobi papa efi se edu ba bi no be ya adolescent me busiafo e ma me kwan e ma me ko aso we a me ko ndi ICGC o se himfa asole ba ko amanko ene asole ya wonim se wada wono e bia wono odofo de da mpemu akakra na ne ho asane no bobo opumu kokko kompacho yenya wo ye hwehwe wo ende opira na nyame asem nko na wo ka eno pe ana wantimi ankwa ma ne kopie mu asawe bia ono de mo kire mu akase asawe no na opanyum papa ye nta asawe no so wo se na woto nyum efa no na ye ne style asawe no so kwa enwa enfiri bia na otie nta de no ho kodom sa asawe na so ade ba kope ana ema ne gya asawe a ade na ema ne gya asawe no eye asomkai ebusia nyese me na makoba mtim na meka yenkohwe video a bra Celestine Donko chire mu dentia ema ne gya and the Seventh Day Adventist Church SD.
I grew up in a church of Pentecost, and then somehow I landed in one church called the International Solid Foundation. It is I've attended a lot of churches because of my singing.
So that takes you to a lot of places.
And sometimes I stay at one place for like a year and sometimes 6 months. I even attended SDA because of the song they sing.
Wow.
Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes. The only church I think I did attend was Jehovah's Witness. I think I attended pretty much like every church that do good music. I'm there. So at the time when I had the liberty to go to the church I like was that my mom, my parents, they were that liberal. So I attended SDA because Charlie, they were in our neighborhood, and when they were singing,
you could feel it.
I love it. So I decided to attend the church. The only thing I didn't like that they said don't wear earrings, so I left.
So you left the SDA church because
of me, I love earrings, big ones. So I couldn't survive there, you know.
Yeah.
And they allowed you to attend with earring for some time, but later on,
they had to tell you that you need to get it
I had to leave, but I love that church because of the singing.
Yeah.
And so like everywhere that there is music, I'm attracted to.
Abusiana me de twasotia ye koye secular music and last we as for nyuma ye will buy you a beer wonyi ye cry ye kasa when youthful age ono so agent haha e music industry ni mo the first release na so nyuma e mani release pa na so Ghana for eti ni dimpa papa ene forever ye na obekọ abrewa kra ne de forever ne de obekọ akola ya wonu 2 years cross forever and they would come crowd forever nipa meka ne hwasem yi ye Jackie na we anodin same bi abeto on the Twitter page actually mo ka say 2022 aye wrem we dey enye ono de on fa na agro kra so lebre omojo se obedi agro kra de ne last year odi agro na this year de oni agro fi se ne album bi a de bana o cookie odi sija so a o share edwane a esija so na odi ba de akoye se Ghana jollof ne Nigeria jollof and we dey Ghana jollof ne Nigeria jollof nti ono album bi a wo cookie beba 2022 ya de chale munja kra na ebekọ wiase afa na ni enye Ghana hanko a se na yi Jonathan die eko Ghana Nigeria bra onu kwa de da bi ebekọ ba bia te se England USA ba bia ne album a obe release 2022 we ebekọ nanso Ghana for assembly ewo hɔ a se yanhwɛ anka ebeye asempa ye ewo ye mamu ha se ye wo ha se ana ye minister bakobeka choice se wo ye youth dia aban djuma no die and the unya mu kwan ti the entrepreneurship no ana wo de fa wo nkogim then the wan kasa wonya wonsa no adjuma animum ana ye futo wo de ma Ghana for Ghana youth for so yet na sene hu so de futo na futupa by ye mu bin de ye pa aban adjuma na so bibi koso wo Ghana memu ha se wan ko school ye so ye illiterate o ko school so ye illiterate na ye juma na mo sanso ntua ye ka eno so ye koya na se ye ba ade ntina obi be hwe ne ba na ode na ko school owie na oye juma aban entua ne ka na se company no entua ne ka na abrantie kama wogina ne nan so esan fa phone efre ne maame ana ne busuafo ebisa won se won mo no loy fair ansa na wode akopie adwuma mu honom na ebusia se wadwumu ye ntra haha na de napco napco adwuma ko bi a waga na mamu ha se ya wonde odi si ho se mabunu a won san adwuma wo betwani om na de wo ye adwuma na de wo tia wonka na so akopie mu akoye se be 3 months ni na 2 months na se America cry youth phone bi kopie mu napco honom no makotia emba ya ba ko echire makase onu kra no okwa eye de man papa ye ebeye den ana Ghana ni anase youth ni wa Ghana mamu ha se no wo se ye adwuma ye adwuma so a na de muntu e ka adwuma ne ko ya na ase ye bai na kire se momon faso na munya efise ye ba ne ye besa ya ho ode a muntu ya ka e wo ho abusia ye nkotie bra wakasi bi eni bela mundi etrim komo e Tvgh.
It's very difficult. Very difficult. We asked to get money for transportation, money for other things. It's difficult. We are going through a lot of challenges.
Have you gone back to post?
Yes, please.
You have?
You have been going to work.
Okay, where do you work?
Stomach.
Where do you work?
Salvation Army.
Okay.
At Chantime. Yeah.
Where do you live?
I live at La Paz, near Tabora.
So on a daily basis, how much do you spend on transportation?
Let me say 4 cities.
4 cities, yes. In and out?
Yes, please. No, yes, please. In and out, 4 cities.
For both, okay.
Yes, please.
And you have to buy food as well?
Yes, please.
And for those 2 months, you hadn't been paid. So between October and December, you were still working?
Yes, please.
Until the school went on holidays?
Yes,
so
please.
How were you managing?
Sometimes I have to call my parents to assist me.
A big boy.
As a big man like you, have to call for my parents to assist me. It's difficult, mommy. It's very difficult.
Abusia me gide se wankasa wote wakati bia wo ye yuta wo ye adwuma ma napco a wonti a wonka agise abrantie gra me ke kro wompna me da na chinta wo so otua ne ka na so ma ne bibi enwin bi ana bro nya iba ye den no fa ma ne mpra na busuafo ebusia napco ese wo ye nation builder corps wo ma wona woni adwuma ye unemployment and as post secondary school for adwuma na kire se ahoden a youth for no ye sorry ye dwale no na napco for no wo fa ne sen na wo ye na se ye ni adwuma ye ntina ye se abejo ni napco na asma fa ye adwuma mu ntino ya hoden na nyankopon na de ache ye nse ye yusu ne ye fa ene ade wo so no wo yusu ne kwa na se den abusia se oba eye adwuma ema napco na so wo napco honom na ye ntua ne ka wo be fa ne sen wo se every time a youth for na kasa ne ye sorry na ye ma aban ne hu se enye aban no enye onu nko ane de wo be hwe kra na mashebeje ni neba a wo nukro nwie SHS ka ya pay school no ko ama no ye nwanum binum so ebekọ university so ebi mu se omo hostel no asa accommodation ni ho enti dan nti won kwatena fie na next year was am be choro forms anase won sam betua sika na utie hostel fee no kra bodam hostel fee na no kra ye school dia na ya aban dia no kra no hostel fee na ye kase betua kra na ebi sanso ni ho no utie amount no kra bodam na obi onu san ye adwuma de na ho de ye adwuma no wontua wanka ebusia yankasa yembie yankasa no yembisa ye ho se ne aban ne de ye fa so no eye se mo ye nation builder corps no na ye adwuma mo na mo ntua ye ka no eye anase enye yankasa no yembu ano na ye nsowe waka na ye mo hu se ahode na nyankopon de ama mo no se yesu adwuma ye giso akitia ebusia fila esunia ha ana medi besi medi ene akosia sparkles ma monihwa moniti